All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna do the maiden on the Savage bobber, and that'll be coming up next. All right, guys, here we go. Head off into the wind. I got the timer set for 5 minutes for the maiden, and we'll see how that does with this setup. So, double check, put everything in middle rate, and here we go. That was weird. Didn't even hit full throttle yet.
Whoa.
Flying pretty nice though.
Yeah, it looks good in the camera. I think it looks pretty cool.
Yeah. See the bumpy air.
Yeah, it's choppy.
It is choppy. Get up high and then we'll trim in the flaps and all that jazz. Half flaps now. Just a bunch of down. Flaps. Flaps and humongous.
Seems like it. It's kind of cool that a plane that size has flaps.
Flaps up.
I'll try for a loop. Nice tight loop, not a problem. We'll go for half flaps, we'll come around here and try to do a little landing. I think slows are down a lot.
Really seems like it. And that's just half flaps, you said, right?
Just half flaps.
Wow. Very nice. Oh, I love the landing gear on that thing.
Yeah, they don't mow the grass here very good, guys, so unfortunately it's always way too tall, but you can see it's over halfway up the wheels, so.
Yep. And
Hey, it's doing good though.
those wheels have a lot of character.
Let's go up one more.
Flaps up.
Do a little banana pass for the camera. It likes rudder in the turns, guys. You want to be coordinated with this one. It definitely likes to use rudder. Go full flaps here and we'll come around and dive for the runway and see what happens. And we got a really good flip over because of the grass. Let me fix that.
Okay.
Only a minute left here. Try to get a little more aileron throw out of it. Come around here, do a little hot rodding, go for another loop. Not a problem. Half flaps. Shoot.
Oh.
Gonna do it? Not gonna do it. This grass, I'll tell you.
This grass is ass.
Well, it's still a successful flight. I can't control the grass. But let's check the battery and see how much is left in that. Whoops. After a about almost 5-minute flight. So what we're flying today, 3S 1300. %. So that's not bad. That's not bad. I'm good with that. So there you go. All right, guys, if you're interested in one, the links are down below, and check one out for yourself. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.